Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. I want to talk with you today about what you might be directed to do by the employer and the insurance company called an independent medical examination. Whether or not it's independent or not is a whole nother story. We sometimes will refer to them as a defense medical evaluation. Under Georgia law, the insurance companies and employers can send you to a doctor that they pick and ask you to go there and show up and be examined by that doctor. Obviously, they're looking for that doctor to give them an opinion, and maybe it's because the doctor that you're treating with is saying you need surgery, and they're trying to find a doctor to say that you don't need surgery. Or maybe it's because the doctor that you're treating with is saying that you need particular types of testing, or has said that the reason that your neck hurts is because of your work injury when all they thought was that your back was injured. So they're going to be looking for doctors that they think are going to help them. And you are to be given a notice in writing about that appointment and where you need to be and when you need to be there. And under the law, if you either are receiving weekly benefit checks or have requested a hearing to get weekly benefit income checks, then yes, you do need to appear at that doctor's appointment. As frustrating as you may think it's going to be because you don't think that doctor is going to be in your corner, in some cases you might be right, and in other cases the doctor is going to see what's going on and give a legitimate, honest opinion. So that is just going to be dependent upon what's going on in your case, and nobody has a crystal ball to determine how that doctor is going to see it, and hopefully that doctor will read the MRI the way it needs to be read, or make the commentary on causation about your injury or the treatment that you're going to need. But you do need to be appearing at those appointments unless proper notice or some other technicality hasn't been provided for. And of course, those are reasons that you need to be calling so that we can tell you whether or not you have to be there or you don't. But typically, if you don't show up, it's going to put your case not in the greatest situation in terms of technicality. Similarly, you should know that you too have the right to request an independent medical evaluation, and those are things that we also can talk with you about in terms of doctors that you might want to see depending upon the type of injury you have, where in the state of Georgia that you live, and the timing of when that independent medical evaluation needs to be done. So I'm more than happy to speak with you about those issues. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this Survival Kit important reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.